Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the final week of our introduction to breath. This week we have a really exciting breath. I'm really excited to share this one. It is breath of joy. This is a really energizing, playful, feel-good breath. And it's great for when you're feeling sluggish, maybe a little bit fatigued, maybe in between your work hours at your desk, maybe in between a long car journey. Just a great one to do anytime that you need a little bit of an uplift and some feel-good vibes. So we're going to go through it together. We're going to start standing. So before we start, just make sure there's nothing around you so you're not going to whack anything. You need a little bit of space. It is a full body breath, so we're going to get the whole body involved. Bring your feet about hip distance apart, maybe a little bit wider. Now, this breath is a 3-part inhale and then one big exhale. So I will show you the first round and then we're going to do a few rounds continuously just to really pump that energy. So to start with, it's inhale, arms forwards. Inhale, arms to the sides. Inhale, arms to the sky. And then big as you bend the knees, chuck yourself forwards and just let everything go. So once we do one round, and then eventually you'll just inhale, 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 exhale, inhale, 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 exhale continuously. And again, it really just gets everything moving. So we'll go through one round to start with, and then we'll do it continuously. So make yourself prepared, bring them feet nice and wide, let the shoulders soften, allow yourself to smile. Let's inhale, arms forwards, inhale, arms to the sides, inhale, arms to the sky. Big exhale, forward fold. Really, really nice. Come all the way back to standing. Just a little side note, as you fold, make sure you're bending the knees so there's no tension in the spine or the hamstrings. So now we're going to go through 5 rounds. I'm going to talk through the first round and then we're going to move on your own with your own breath through the next 4 rounds. So coming into that standing position. So on an inhale, arms forwards, arms to the sides, arms to the sky, exhale. Good, continue, inhale forwards. Final round. Lovely, come all the way back to standing. Close the eyes, take a big inhale, big exhale, inhale, exhale. Let the breath return to normal. Feel the heart beating, feel the energy pulsing, the blood pulsing, feel the smile on your face. Just notice all of that tingling, that energy, that prana, that life force energy just traveling around the body. Really, really nice. And then when you're ready, just let the eyes open. Hopefully you felt the energy. I definitely built a little bit of heat, so it's a really warming breath as well. So as I said, a great one to do if you're feeling sluggish. So give it a go. Let me know how you found that breath and introduce it into your week. Notice if you feel a difference. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not for you. These breathing practices, are all just practice, and you will find the ones that you are drawn to more than others. So thank you for joining. I hope this all made sense and was clear, and I will see you next Wednesday for our first meditation practice.